So, a little sawmill update. Dave and I have been hard at work out here. We moved the workbench, fixed the door. So now you can actually use the door. And we finished boarding in this wall. Got a couple windows on there. The workbench will eventually get set in there somewhere, maybe even down there. Yep, so that's good. There's the old Detroit, loving life. And we straightened out and stiffened up the roller table and extended it with one of our old pieces, which works just fine. We've got the slab wood saw set up right there. And I just picked up some more roller tables. So, hopefully, these will set up nice for Dave for the slabs over there, and we'll have some extra. Yeah, thrilled to have the roller table all the way out there. Oh, bit by bit. And we have a plan for the sawdust blower. So much space here. This is kind of strange. Plan for the blower. It's a secret plan, but it may involve big shivs, big shaft. We shall see. We shall see. Well, the blower intake has been redone. We got the proper pipe of 7-inch size to go in. And we've got new pipe ran down in, and down in here, we've got a new saw box. Kind of like the old one, but instead of the sheet metal following the bottom, the sheet metal comes down like this, away from the saw, and the pickup is behind the saw, down below, pointed like that at the bottom of the saw. So we'll see. We'll see. At least it used to work better this way. So hopefully it'll work good enough till we remake it again. Oh. Yeah, and we're super thrilled. We got our roller table out to the end of the track here, and a new section of roller table to take us to the slab wood saw. So, in theory, you can come off the saw, come down the track, jump over to here, come down onto the saw, on the extended table, cut your slabs. Now, if we can just find an elevator, we're going to put an elevator right here to take them up at an angle and drop them into something, truck or a trailer sitting right over there. Anyway, we're getting there. Getting there. It's nice to have this wall built and to be using the front door. It is slick. It is slick. Hopefully that sawdust blower works good. Good enough anyway for the time being.